subbies, and if you're new here, hey friend. Today I'm gonna be showing you what I got in my August IPSY bag. So before we get started, I'm gonna need y'all to hit that subscribe button, because if you've been watching my videos and you aren't subscribed, what are you doing? Also, don't forget to click that notification bell so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. So I got the goods this month, so let's open it and see what we got. So this month, the bag is green and it's giving snake print, which is really cute. They have a card to basically tell you the theme of this bag. So it is the August 2021 Wanderlust. Recharge, reset, and go off the grid. Discover rare new ingredients, go wild with manis, try techniques that soothe your skin and your mind. Your greatest adventure starts with you. This is what the card looks like. And let's see. And on the back, it gives information about the giveaways. And on this card, it gives you 5 notes to transport your senses. So yeah, a lot of this stuff I don't have. But yeah, this is what I mean when I say they talk about the 5 notes to transport your senses. So yeah, we're gonna get to the interesting stuff, because this doesn't interest me at all, not one bit. And I honestly wish that these cards had the products on it with the prices and everything, but they don't. So if you want to know the size of the full size product as well as the retail price, they will be up here. As I showcase the products, it's going to be either left or right. So you'll have the information, and all of these products will be linked below, as well as any information that you will need to sign up for your IPSY bag, whether you sign up for the Glam bag or the Glam bag Plus, which is the full size, which is what I have today. So let's get started. So firstly, we have Elements. So this is what the box looks like. Elements Skin Buff. It's a deep cleansing exfoliator, and it's for all skin types. And it has bilberry, hops, chamomile. It exfoliates, refines, and purifies the skin. The directions: use weekly, dampen skin, and gently massage in a light circular motion. And you just rinse it off with warm water. Okay, so let's open this up to see what this looks like. And it also has directions in here too. So I'm gonna stick that back in the slot. And this is what the container looks like. With this IPSY Glam Bag Plus, I get all full-size products. So all of the pricing will be listed, as you can see. I already told you the directions, so let's open it up, because your girl likes to smell things. What can I say? And plus, I want it to already be open so we can rock and roll with our skin routine, okay? So it smells very fresh, like I expected, very clean. A little soapy, but that's not bad at all. So I can't wait to use this. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my skin bucket, because this is where I keep all of my, this is where I keep all of my skin products. This is where I keep everything that I use to freshen up. Basically, my skin routine before I put on my makeup, it's all in here. So I got my lotion in here, my deodorant, and then I also have all of the other skincare products that I may have bought or received in my IPSY bag. It's not all in here because I have more, but the main things that I use are in here. Except for my Curology. My Curology stays in the restroom because I like to have quick access to that, especially when I'm showering, and before I go to bed, I put on my Curology. So anyways, off topic, let's move on to the next product. So this next product is a brush. This is what the box looks like. It came all bent up for some weird reason, but I don't know if y'all can see that. Let's just go ahead and take it out. But this brand is called Complex Culture, guys. And this brush is called the Cheek Chiseler. So it's meant for contouring, for blush. So it's meant for contouring and for blush. So it comes in a pack like this. And I guess if you want a very defined look and you're only trying to target specifics on your face, this will be a great brush for that. It's angled, very defined, and I like how it looks. I like the gray look. I'm obsessed with gray, guys. So yeah, this is a really cute brush. I like it. And it's called the Cheek Chiseler. It even has that on the brush. So I'm gonna put that in with my other brushes because we're gonna have to wash those brushes at the end of the week anyways, because I like to wash my brushes at least once a week. I probably should be doing it more, but your girl be busy. So anyways, our next product is a Beyond Liquid highlighter. I think this was actually one of my picks because I think you get 2 picks with this. Not really sure, can't really remember. But mostly when I do get picks, I either pick brushes or concealers or foundations or highlighters because I actually use those things. So this is what the box looks like. This is actually the same brand that I got the foundation from. So my last IPSY video, maybe the one before that, I received a foundation from the same company, but it's not my color, so I have not been using it. But I can always save it for someone else. But this is a illuminating liquid highlighter. So let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, so this is what the container looks like. And let's test it out. Okay, so I like how you can squeeze this out using this right here. So I am just going to put some on my wrist. Just squeeze out a little to kind of get an idea. And just gonna, it looks more like a bronzer than a highlighter because this is definitely darker than my complexion. So yeah, I would use this as a bronzer rather than a highlighter. But that's just me. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so next we have a concealer, and I'm pretty sure I picked out this concealer. So this is by Complex Culture, the same brand that we got the brush from. And it is called a Let Up Concealer. It is medium to full coverage. It is a brightening concealer. So great for highlighting. So it effortlessly conceals, hydrates, brightens, and blurs under eye imperfections. So it's vegan and cruelty free. And this is in the shade M320. So we are going to see what shade this is. It's cute, it's all gray and everything. I just love the packaging. It has the C there. And the shade at the bottom. So we are gonna test it out to kind of get an idea of the shade and how it will look on my skin tone. So this is how it looks. And let's put it the inside, a little dab there. So it's not too much lighter than my skin tone. It's actually perfect. And I'm just gonna blend it with my finger. And you see that? And it's probably not the best example, but in my next Get Ready With Me video, you'll be able to see me try this because I actually need more concealer. Because lately, I've been using the LA Girl concealer because that's just my go-to, my backup. But as you all know, I've been using my Tarte concealer. That's generally my go-to, but I'm running out of that, so this will be what I will be using. Okay, so last but not least, your girl got some lashes. Now I do get my individuals done, but sometimes your girl be too busy, and sometimes I don't make it in time to get my lashes done. Sometimes I be looking a hot mess before I even go. I be having like maybe 5 lashes on. Like, I just be looking a mess, child. So sometimes you gotta have a backup, okay? You gotta have a backup. And these are the luxurious faux mink lashes. These are reusable, and it's an instant application. You apply liner and then you press the lashes on. It's supposed to be quick and easy, and they're wispy, which I love. I love wispy lashes, and it has a step-by-step instructions on the back. And this is what the packaging looks like. So yeah, you may or may not see me use these. Who knows? Who knows? But yeah, these are good to have as backups, maybe even for someone else. But yeah, that is it for our August IPSY video. So stay tuned for my September video. Let me know your favorite products in the comments below. Also, don't forget that all of these products will be listed in the description below. So y'all better click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. Until next time, peace.